Hello everyone. So in this video we will talk about dictionaries in Python. So first of all we will go from very basic to advanced. First of all, what is dictionary? Dictionary are key value pairs in the Python. It means that each value is accessed by using a key. First of all, why do we need dictionary? Can't we do the same thing using a list? The answer is no. For example, let's say we have to store the information about the student in a class. Then there can be its roll number, its grade, its age. So storing these in lists, we do not know at which index its name is present, at which index its age is present. So that's why we need dictionary. We can access its values by using the key. Since we are accessing its value using the key must be unique. No two elements have the same key in the dictionary. And also values can be of different data type. For example, age is an integer, name is a string, grade is also a string, some other thing, average marks can be float or anything. So values can be of any different data type. There are many flexibilities in dictionary in Python, like we can update, delete. We'll see all these things with examples. So now we'll see examples. This example of empty dictionary, this is in light without any key value pair. This is a dictionary with key value pair. Keys are name, age and city, while values are Alice. For key name, value is Alice. For key age, value is 25. And for key city, value is New York. Let us run this code. So dict, empty dict is just print dict because there is no element in this dict. For person, its key value pairs are printed in Python. Now we'll see how to access the values in the dictionary. For example, we can access the values by using its key pairs. For example, if you want to know the name, we can just print person name, if age, similarly city, and also dot get function method is used for accessing the elements. Their work, since work is not present, we are giving a default value. So we are if work key is not present, this default value will be printed. Let us see the output. Name is printed Alice, city is presented New York, and work is presented engineer. Let us see when we are trying to print city. So there city New York is printed and not engineer. This is default value. If this key is not present in the dictionary, then this value will be printed. Then this value will be our output. Otherwise, there is no use of this. Now we see how the values in the dictionaries are updated. Let us see its output. So initially, person was printed name, Alice, age, and so on. But now we have changed the person name with the box, so we can just update the values inside the dictionary by using its keys, as shown in this example. Also, sometimes we need to delete all the keys from a dictionary. For example, there is a age. We don't want there is city and we don't want city in the data, so we can just do this tell person city, so it will delete this city key in this. Let us see its output. Okay, so it's showing city is not defined. Why city is not defined? Okay, let us run only this code and not any other. So the answer only name and age are printed and city is not printed because we have deleted city. There is also pop for removing any key, but what pop does is it also return the value. The del was not returning the value, just it was deleting. So if we see its output, okay, we have just printed that. So first this age 25 is printed, then it is removed from the dictionary. Now we have when we have printed the dictionary, age is not printed. Then in dictionary, sometimes we just need keys and not values. So we can just print the keys using person.keys. Similarly, sometimes we just need values and not keys. So we can get that the values by using person.values. Also, sometimes we need both key value pair at the same time. So we can get the key value pair by using the person.items. Let us see its output. So dict keys gives only keys, name, age, and city, while the values contain the Alice 25 New York, while the items are getting both as a tuple of key value pairs. So name Alice is a tuple, age 25 is a tuple, and so on. Then there is also dot update method, which update the values of more than one key at the same time. Uh, Initially we were doing like this. It was updating just one key value, but doing dot update does the same thing in one statement. Let us see its output. So name age is changed from 25 to 26 and city is changed from New York to New Jersey. So dot update help in changing the values of more than one key at the same time. After this we have pop item. So it is quite similar to pop, but in the pop we were giving the input, but pop item knew the last key value pair. Since this was the last key value pair in this dictionary, so this will be removed. Let us see its output. So the last item was city and New York, and in the person dictionary, last item is removed. That is city and New York is removed, and we are only getting the remaining key value pairs. Then also we have dot clear method which clears the dictionary. That means that the dictionary now becomes empty. So if we see its output, we have initialized the person dictionary with key value pairs, but after dot clear method, the dictionary becomes empty. Now we also have dot copy method in dictionary like list which creates a shallow copy of the dictionary. So if we see its output is both dictionary are same and same output is printed. Also if you see its output, uh, if we do any changes to do the new dict like copy dict, then its effect will not show in the original dict. Like we have added new key value pairs c com 3, so this is its effect is not on original dict. Original dict is remain intact, but new dict is changed. We can also add new key value pairs by using default set default method in which new key age and its default value 30 is added. If we see its output, uh, Alice and age 30 is printed. So initially, if we see this initial dictionary, there was only key value pair containing name Alice. But now, since we have added age 30, so age 30 is also printed in the new dict, the modified dict. Sometimes we want to create dictionary using these key and we don't have value. So we can just create dict also using from keys method in which we can put some default values. Since we do not know, we can put unknown. So all the values for all the keys will become unknown. Let us see its output. So these three keys are added and its values are unknown. When we know the values, we can just change these value by using some of the other methods learned in this video. We can also directly iterate using the for in the for loop in a dictionary by doing for key in dict or for key comma value in person dot items. As we have learned, dot item gives the key value pair. So if we see its output, both output are same. That initially name is Alice. In this also name is Alice. Age is 25. Age is 25. City is in New York. City is in New York. So that's all about the dictionary class in Python. If you learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe and follow for more content. Thank you. Have a nice day.